Right, look, I shuffle these cards, it's really free, and now I search for cards. Maybe for ace. Ace number 1, here, ace number 2, here, ace number 3, stop anytime, maybe here, it's really free, it's not force. Yes, and stop number here, yes, for ace. It's really free. 1, 2, 3, 4, and now I teach you production for aces. It's really visual, it's really easy to do, it's really foundation card magic. So guys, please subscribe to my channel, like in this video right now, maybe share this video with a friend magician, why not? It's really cool, it's really easy to do, and now take this for ace, take this deck and teach this production card. Click. Right, this is really fast search for ace. It's really easy card trick, it's really fast, it's really visual. So you take for ace and put in her like this. It's really easy setup. You take 4 ace and put in her like this, right? And next step you make any full shuffle. Maybe you make shuffle like this. You take this deck your right hand, and now you take this pile, make really shuffle, really shuffle. Now this pile, drop it like this. Of course you control it your 4 ace. It's really easy full shuffle, right? It's really cool, it's really easy. It's really fast. Look, I shuffle these cards, really true. Now this pile, drop it like this. Alright. Next step, you search ace and production ace number 1. Production look like this. You snap your finger and production like this. It's really easy. It's really visual. It's really impossible card production. So you take this deck like this, and now your left hand move it like this. You make a break. One card is ace, and now this finger takes these cards like this, and now like this, right? Look, boom, 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 boom. It's really easy. And now your right hand takes these cards, right? It's really easy production. So, and next step you take, make this move. Your right hand takes these cards like this. It's really easy. It's really nice visual production, 1 cards. It's really cool. It's really visual production. Alright, this is card production number 1. Alright, next step production ace of hearts. You make a swing card, and now your left hand break these cards and save it your break. Of course, this is ace of hearts, your break. And now this pile turn over like this. Of course, you save it your break. And now you turn over this pile like this. Alright, and now you make break this pile like this and save it your break and show it ace number 2. Alright, so look, it's really easy. You make a swing cut, make a break, save it your break, turn over this pile like this, and make a break like this, and production ace number 2, and drop it this ace. Of course, you save it your break. Alright, and next step, spectator stop anytime. It's really free, maybe here, and next step, you drop it this pile, your break. Look, you drop it this pile like this, and turn over, take 1 cards, and turn over this pile like this. Of course, this is ace of diamonds, right? Look, I repeat, make a break, turn over, production, make a break, drop it this cards, stop anytime, stop, alright, drop it this pile, turn over, take these cards, turn over, and take these cards and show this ace number 3. It's really fast, it's really cool. Alright, next step of production, ace of clubs. You take this deck, your right hand like this. Use this finger, put in her like this, and take these cards, this corner, alright? This finger here, right. And now spectator stop anytime. It's really free, it's not force, maybe here. And next step you take this pile, and now use this finger, move it like this, and turn over this cards, this ace of clubs, right? Look, take this deck like this, stop anytime, maybe here, and now your production, these cards like this. It's really easy, it's really cool, and production 1 cards. Stop, right, and production ace of clubs. It's really unbelievable ace production. So guys, thank you for watching my video, see you later.